Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Quinn. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing 3 small leather goods. So 3 wallets from 3 different brands. So one from Chanel, Dior, and Louis Vuitton, as you can already tell from the thumbnail. So I wanted all 3, but I'm going to be keeping 2 of them. Can you guess which one I'm going to be keeping? Anyways, well, I'm gonna be keeping 1 or 2 of them. I don't know, I haven't truly decided yet. I really don't need that many wallets. As I was deciding on which wallet I wanted, there wasn't a lot of videos on 2 of them, the Chanel and the Dior one. So I thought I'd make this video showing you their comparison against each other. And if you guys are interested in like purchasing one, then hopefully this is helpful to you. So if you guys are interested in this video, continue watching. And I will see you in a little bit. Okay, you guys, let's just get straight into the video. And FYI, this is not a true unboxing. I have already opened them all and checked them out. But I enjoy watching unboxing videos, so I try to like repackage them so you can show you guys. So the first one is gonna be Louis Vuitton, and this one a lot of people have. I got really lucky and found 2. I gave one to my sister, and then this one I'm thinking about keeping for myself. Oh, actually, I'm just gonna review each wallet and let me know which one you think I'm gonna be keeping, or which one you like the most and think I should keep. Okay, I might keep 1 or 2 of them. So this one is the Key Pouch. Oops. Key Pouch. It's super, oh my god, I literally just bend the crap out of it. It's super cute. A lot of people have this. It's really highly sought after. It's always freaking sold out on the website here, and I'm pretty sure you're really familiar with this one already. It has this little clasp where you kind of pull up to release and then clip it back in like that. There's an LV engraved on one side, and so is the other side. Oh, by the way, this is my new like favorite nail color at the moment. I literally just did them like a couple days ago and I love them so much. Hold on. You guys always ask about my nail color, so I'm gonna link them down below. This color is called Lilacism by Essie. So yeah, such a pretty color. I never do any color besides like a light pink. So yeah, anyways, this one is the Louis Vuitton Key Clay. This is made in the US, so it doesn't say anything. It just says Louis Vuitton Paris, and yep, that's it. Retails for $215, and if you guys are interested, this is the code. Smells so good. Next is going to be the Dior Saddle flap card holder, and look how pretty is the packaging. Here is the shipping label and receipt and stuff like that, and here's the box. This is like a cushion. They even gave me a little like shopping bag and this really cute pretty star. Here's the Dior box. This is how they wrapped it, and I'm not going to destroy the wrapping paper, so I'm just gonna pull the wallet out from the bottom. Comes with a certified card. Here is the dust bag. This is one of those cards where if you remove, then you can't return it. Just gonna remove this. Okay, so this is what the wallet looks like. It's a cute little like saddle design bag. There is a small pouch on the back side so you can slide your cards in. and snap open. And then there's leather on the inside. There's a whole bunch of like paper to hold the shape, and here's the style number if you guys are interested. And there's this little like Dior on the snap button. It's really roomy on the inside. You can fit a lot of cards in here really comfortably. So that's why I got it, because I carry a lot of like gift cards, card, and cash, and I think this is a really good wallet. Oh my god, it's so cute. This will be a really good wallet for me to keep a lot of my cards, and it's just super cute, right? The only thing that I don't like about this is the canvas. It's like a stitched canvas, just like the other saddle bags from Dior, and I guess I just don't like it because I don't know, it doesn't feel nice. I really like, you know, this plasticky canvas because it won't get dirty easy, and it just feels really nice and durable. This, I feel like I can stain and get really dirty, and so yeah, I don't know, for some reason I really wish that your wallets can come out with this type of like smooth canvas with the same pattern, so then it's more durable and like less high maintenance. But yeah, anyways, here's the little cute D for Dior. It's like a vintage golden brassy tone gold color. It's really, really pretty, super cute. I like this a lot. I feel like if this was in the same canvas as the Louis Vuitton one, but with the same pattern, I would definitely have kept this. Oh, okay, well I gave it away. I'm thinking of returning this one. I don't know, I just don't like it as much as the other two. Yeah, so that is the Dior. So last but not least, I'm gonna unbox the Chanel one. The ribbon's already untied. Comes in this dust bag. Oh, so this is the item number. It comes in this velvety Dior dust bag, and voila! This is the wallet, the Zippy wallet from 2019 pre-fall, I think, collection. It is in the gold crocodile embossed pattern, so that means it's like not made from real crocodiles. I heard that the patterns was made using pineapple, and I kind of wish I never knew that, to be honest, because I can kind of see the pineapple pattern. I don't know, but it looks really good. It does look like real crocodile because of the patterns here. You know, they did a really good job on this wallet, and this was the first line that they stopped using animal skin. So I love this. I think it's so pretty. This little tab is so sturdy. It's not flimsy, like it's hard for you to bend, and the zipper is super buttery smooth. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's very roomy. You can fit a lot of cards in here. That's why I like it. And the hardware is gold brush. So anyways, I saw this in store, I think like around like last year, and I can't stop thinking about it. It's just really, really pretty, and like not the traditional black. I love the traditional black, but I just think this is so unique, and oh my god, look at it. It's so pretty. It I don't know, it just looks really nice. It feels really nice. It's gold. Yeah, I just think it's like, it's really unique and special. I like it a lot. I also saw the card holder, which I love too, but I think the Zippy one suits my lifestyle better because I have a lot of cards and a lot of gift cards, so I think this will best fit my lifestyle, so I went with this one. And also I just like that it's like super sleek and just one piece. of leather, so it looks really sleek and clean. I'm gonna be keeping this one. I really like it. I think it's very special. It's really pretty. It's really pleasing to the eye when you look at it, you know. The only thing I don't like about this is I think this wallet may have been like a display one. I see little like fuzzy stuff coming out of the cloth, like it's been touched a lot, and also there's like a little small stain there. So yeah, I'm gonna be returning this one actually, and I already have ordered for another one for a wallet that costs this much. I'm gonna make sure that it's brand new, so I'm excited to get the new one. Anyways, I want to put the 3 card holder next to one another so you guys can see them for comparison. This is kind of what they look like side to side. The saddle and the Chanel are the same width. The saddle looks like it might be taller, but to be honest, I feel like they're the same height as well. So I'm just gonna put the saddle one down and show you the key pouch. The key pouch is a little bit wider than the Chanel card holder, and it's a little bit shorter. I like it that it's a little bit longer in length because you can easily take your cards in and out effortlessly. I love this piece so much. I just really like the Louis Vuitton canvas. Like, it's so carefree and it feels so nice to the touch. I don't like how this one feels that much. I just don't like stitched canvases. I don't know. It looks really pretty, but I don't know, I just don't really like it that much. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts, like which one do you like. Rank them from 1 to 3 and comment them down below. I love the Chanel gold Croc wallet, and I love obviously the Louis Vuitton Key Pouch. They are like, I can't choose between them. I know I shouldn't be keeping both, but I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, for sure I'm keeping this one. For sure. I just don't know if I'm gonna keep this one too. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know which wallet you prefer, or maybe you already have the wallet. Let me know how you like it so far, and do you recommend one over the other. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe and click the post notification bell to get notified when I post next, and I will see you in my next video.